Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with a product that promises to revolutionize the way you care for your dentures and braces. It's the Argomax leak-proof denture bath cup, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype.
Let's start by taking a closer look at the design and features of this denture bath cup.
As you can see, it comes in a sleek black and orange color scheme, making it not only functional but stylish as well. But looks aren't everything. Let's talk about what sets this product apart. One of the standout features of the Argomax denture bath cup is its leak-proof design.
Unlike traditional denture cups that can leak and spill, this cup is equipped with pressure clips and a high-quality silicone waterproof ring to ensure that your cleaning solution stays put. But it's not just about preventing leaks, durability is key too. The Argomax denture bath cup is made of high-quality plastic with a 3mm shell and metal hinge shaft, making it robust enough to withstand everyday use without cracking or breaking. Now let's talk about capacity. With dimensions of approximately 8.5 by 7.5 x 5.5 centimeters and a bottom tank capable of holding up to 220 milliliters of liquid, this denture bath cup has plenty of space to soak your dentures or braces thoroughly. Whether you're at home or on the go, this denture bath cup has you covered. It's perfect for cleaning not only dentures and braces but also aligners, retainers, mouthguards, and even baby pacifiers. Plus, it comes with a convenient draining basket for easy extraction of clean dentures. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the Argomax denture bath cup, praising its quality, leak-proof design, and overall effectiveness. It's truly a game-changer for anyone in need of reliable denture care. In conclusion, the Argomax leak-proof denture bath cup is a must-have for anyone with dentures or braces. Its leak-proof design, durability, and ample capacity make it a standout choice in the world of oral care. So why settle for subpar denture cups when you can upgrade to the best? That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay clean and stay smiling. This has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.